Konbini Radio.
It's from the band called Zigzag, and the LP also called Zigzag. It's like a really nice disco LP from the 80s. It's from Don Carlos, called Alone, the sax ambient mix. I really like the Michael Jackson Pretty Young Thing track. Every time I played it, the people just go like, what is this? Running Away from DJ Infinity. I did a house set and a random guy came to me and he was like, oh, this is a really nice set, but can you play some Arctic Monkeys?
Now it's getting dark and the sky looks sticky.
Really? Why? This year I played in an open air party in Croatia and I played when the sun came up. So a random girl went to the stage and he handed me a note. Can you play your track, The Sunrise in Her Eyes? The Other People place called Lifestyles of a Laptop Cafe. It's called The War of the Words. It's like a good mixture between electronic music and rock. Thomas Schumacher. Track name is Ficken and it's the version number 3. Every time I play it, the people go really crazy. I think the best is just listen to the sound of the ocean. It's from a Studio Ghibli movie. It's the Shiro. It's from Linkin Park, Cure for the Itch. It's from a Slave called Watching You. I don't want to have a really sad funeral, so if somebody is brave enough to play the track from Darude, the Sandstorm one. And that's good, that's fine. Block Body from Africanism.